In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a folder in Microsoft Outlook Mail. Sending an entire folder through email might seem a bit tricky at first, especially since Outlook does not allow you to attach folders directly the same way you would attach a single file. However, there is a simple and effective method that allows you to send a complete folder while keeping all of its contents intact and organized. To get started, locate the folder you want to send on your computer. This can be anywhere, such as your desktop, documents, or downloads. Once you've found it, right-click on the folder. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Send To, and then choose Compressed, Zipped Folder. After you click this, your computer will automatically create a new zip file in the same location. This zip file contains all the files and subfolders from your original folder, neatly packaged into a single file. Now that your folder has been compressed, open Microsoft Outlook and create a new email message. You can do this by clicking on New Email from the main interface. When the message window appears, look for the Attach File option, which is typically located in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Click on Attach File, then browse through your files and locate the zip file you just created. Select it, and it will be added to your email as an attachment. Once the file is attached, you can continue composing your message by adding a subject and any additional information you'd like to include. Before sending your email, it's a good idea to double-check the file size. Compressed folders help reduce size, but if your zip file is still quite large, it may exceed Outlook's attachment limits. In that case, you may need to split the contents into smaller files or consider alternative sharing methods. When everything is ready, click Send, and your folder will be delivered as a zip attachment. The recipient can then download the file and extract it to access all the contents inside. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.